There's many levels to full mouth restoration. It can be some minor changes throughout the entire mouth, where the fees associated with that are much lower. There may be options that involve a whole lot more dentistry, and the fees are associated to that. It just depends on your situation. Those things can be determined way ahead of time before deciding on treatment. I like to lay things out for you as far as your options, several options, sometimes 3, 4 different options to achieve full mouth restoration. All of those work. There may just be pluses and minuses to each that you need to understand ahead of time. There'll be different levels of fees associated with those depending on the treatment. All of that can be reviewed up front to narrow down what direction is best for you. What full mouth restoration are you going to be happy with? We can determine that together by starting with multiple options and then narrowing down to that one option that's perfect for you.